Hello, good people. Tego here. How's everyone doing? Thank you for clicking this promo video, and I'm sure you were curious to find out what this is about. Well, I'm gonna cut right to the chase. This video gives you everything you need to know about an F5, and pretty much strips away the fluff and just goes right to the point. What you need to know when you first receive an F5. So I'm sure you're asking, what is in it for me? And folks, I can tell you that there's a lot I have in pack for you. Now, this is an introductory level course, so just like any enthusiast, you know how when you get a new device, you're so excited, you want to power it on, you want to play around with it, you want to hop on and do stuff without, reading all the complicated stuff. This is what this video does. It gives you that initial burst of empowerment to be able to get on F5, first of all, understand what a load balancer is so that you know what it is, and learn the lingo, what F5 lingo is, because you will come across these lingos over and over and over. That way you get yourself familiarized first. Next, you'll learn how to license the box, because that is the first thing you want to do. License it and be able to get access to all the features. Next, you learn how to IP address the F5. That way you have the ability to communicate with the other devices on your network, including your servers that you want to load balance across. And I'm also going to show you how to create a virtual server, a pool, node, monitors, profile, and even terminate an SSL connection. I'm also going to show you how to configure an F5 in an active standby state, which is also very important, because what is the load balance without redundancy? Yes? And yeah, after all that, you will be coming one step closer to an F5 administrator. Now, it's not going to make you an expert, but if you want to achieve that state, I have additional videos coming up in my F1 201 videos, which goes in depth in terms of configuration. So thank you, and I hope you subscribe and learn everything that I have to offer. Have a nice day.